Grapeseed oil.
This butter smells so good. It is soft and smooth and also fluffy. Whatever you can call a homemade butter that is rich in all the ingredients that will support hair growth and also supply all the nutrients your hair needs. The Amla powder, which strengthens hair follicles, promotes growth, prevents premature graying, and increase scalp health due to its vitamin C and antioxidant content, and also the Neem powder, which treats scalp issues, reduce dandruff, and promote hair growth. And the Moringa powder, which is sometimes called the miracle tree because it is packed with vitamin A, C, and E, antioxidants, and minerals like iron and zinc, which promote hair growth. And all the oils used also have their own benefits.
Hi lovelies, and welcome back again to the channel. It's Momandprettyimisi here again, and in today's video we're gonna be making hair butter. I was promised in my previous video that I'm gonna be putting up a video on how I make hair butter for my hair. So this is that video you've all been anticipating. So sit tight and let's get started. First, I'm gonna be zooming in the camera so you can see all the ingredients set up on my table. Starting with all the oils, I have castor oil, I have coconut oil, jojoba oil, I have olive oil, and grapeseed oil. And these oils I have here are essential oils just to give it some fragrance. So I'm using tea tree, lemongrass, lavender, sweet orange, and eucalyptus. So those are the essential oils for fragrance. So I have a bowl here, an empty bowl, and I have my shea butter. And starting with the powders, I have neem here, neem powder, and I have this moringa powder here that my mother-in-law brought from Nigeria. When she was coming to the state, I was like, oh, there's something special you might want to help me get, and that was moringa. So she got me moringa. Don't mind me, you know, in African home you get to have different things in different bowls. I think you can buy this on Amazon. Yeah, you can buy this on Amazon. It's very powerful. Some make it as moringa tea and they drink it. It just cleanses, you know, the bowel. This is Amla powder. The Amla powder is one of the hair recipe, I think, particular to the Indians. Yeah, Indians use this Amla powder very well for their hair. So it is very potent for hair growth. And I have my jars here, tiny little extras here. Okay, so let's get started. So one last thing I forgot to include was this measuring cup for the oils. All right, first I'm gonna start with my moringa leaves. This is 1 tablespoon, which is equivalent to 5 ml. I'll take 1 tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons of moringa. And set this aside. And then for my neem powder, right there, maybe 2 tablespoons of neem powder. 2 Amla powder, maybe 2. They're all 2 tablespoons. So first I'm gonna be adding my grapeseed oil. Measure this. So I have 175 ml grapeseed oil. So I'm gonna put that in here. 175 ml grapeseed oil. Right there. Next, I'm gonna do my olive. I'll be doing 100. Be doing 100 olive, that goes in there. And then my castor oil right here. I think castor oil is thick, so we're gonna do 50 of that. Yeah, we're gonna do 50 of castor oil. Coconut oil, 2 spoons right there, like this, in here. like that. I have my jojoba, so I'm gonna do one of jojoba. There we go. So this is what we have right here. I'm gonna heat this up using a double boiler. We're gonna do the same thing we're doing to the oil, to this shea butter. We're gonna melt this down. So if you're learning something from this video already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share my video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time of ever coming across my channel. Right there. Oil. Right. Another jar. Here's my cheesecloth. So I'm just gonna pour it here. And then we can go in here and sieve it. I'm just gonna give it a little squeeze. Now keep pouring more. Little squeeze. And all of those things in here. Look at that. Look at this. All in here. So this is the oil right here we have here. So clean. All right, let's go ahead and check our melting shea butter. Like that. There we go. And this is it. We're gonna mix all of it together. Okay. All right, lovelies, we're gonna wait for this to solidify and we can move on to the next thing.
All right, lovelies, this is about 24 hours later. The butter has solidified and it's giving me that moringa color at the top and the amla and neem at the bottom, which is not a problem at all. So next thing we're going to be doing here is to whip it properly to make sure the whole thing mixes together. So I'm going to be scooping the butter into the mixing bowl just as I am doing.
Treats you kind, and I hope you have all you dreamed of, and I wish you joy and happiness, but above all this I wish you love.
So here, I wanted to let you know that the base has nothing to do with this butter. Most of you might be saying, oh, it's going to stain my hair. It's going to put some particles on my hair. No, you can see it's dissolving on my finger. So practically, it's going to be safe on your hair. And just so you know, they are all natural things, you know. They are not synthetic or chemicals, which I recommend for natural hair. So everything is in, and I'm going to scoop the spoon with my finger. Yes, nothing must waste. This butter is highly precious. Nothing must waste. Next is to start whipping it. You can use your cake whipping machine, which I'm using here. And here is where the essential oils come in. I'm using 2 to 3 drops of essential oils here. Just so you know, essential oils are going to add fragrance and also gives your hair that soothing relief. So if you are fighting dandruff or itching scalp, this is for you. You want to add this to your butter at home. It's going to help you, you know, soothe your scalp, stop itching, and gives you this cool relief on your scalp. So our butter is ready. Next is to put them in those jars. At this point, this butter smells so good. It is soft and smooth and also fluffy. Whatever you can call a homemade butter that is rich in all the ingredients that will support hair growth and also supply all the nutrients your hair needs. The Amla Powder, which strengthens hair follicles, promotes growth, prevents premature graying, and increase scalp health due to its vitamin C and antioxidant content. And also the Neem Powder, which treats scalp issues, reduce dandruff, and promote hair growth. And the Moringa powder, which is sometimes called the miracle tree because it is packed with vitamin A, C, and E, antioxidants, and minerals like iron and zinc, which promote hair growth. And all the oils used also have their own benefits. So I'm going to be testing this shea butter on my skin, lovelies, and also use it for your skin. Just so you know, you can see the skin area where it is being applied and the other part. You can see how shiny it is. Our butter is ready, lovely, ready for sale. Come and buy your shea butter. All right, lovelies, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends and families and loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed.